وإذ قلنا للملائكة اسجدوا لآدم فسجدوا إلا إبليس قال أأسجد لمن خلقت طينا.
And recall when we asked the angels to prostrate themselves before Adam, all prostrated themselves except Iblis, who said, "Shall I prostrate myself before him whom you created of clay?"
قال أرأيتك هذا الذي كرمت علي لئن أخرتني إلى يوم القيامة لأحتنكن ذريته إلا قليلا.
He then continued, "Look, this is he whom you have exalted above me. If you will grant me respite till the day of resurrection, I shall uproot the whole of his progeny, except only a few."
قال اذهب فمن تبعك منهم فإن جهنم جزاؤكم جزاء موفورا.
Thereupon he retorted, "Be gone. Hell shall be the recompense and a most ample one of whosoever of them who follows you."
واستفزز من استطعت منهم بصوتك وأجلب عليهم بخيلك ورجلك وشاركهم في الأموال والأولاد وعدهم وما يعدهم الشيطان إلا غرورا.
Tempt with your call all whom you wish. Muster against them all your forces, your cavalry and your foot soldiers. Share with them riches and offspring and seduce them with rosy promises. And Satan's promise is nothing but a deception.
إن عبادي ليس لك عليهم سلطان وكفى بربك وكيلا.
But know well that you will have no power against my servants. Your Lord suffices for them to place their trust in.
ربكم الذي يزجي لكم الفلك في البحر لتبتغوا من فضله إنه كان بكم رحيما.
Your Lord is He who steers your vessels across the seas, that you may seek of His bounty. He is ever merciful towards you.
وَإِذَا مَسَّكُمُ الضُّرُّ فِي الْبَحْرِ ضَلَّ مَن تَدْعُونَ إِلَّا إِيَّاهُ فَلَمَّا نَجَّاكُمْ إِلَى الْبَرِّ أَعْرَضْتُمْ وَكَانَ الْإِنسَانُ كَفُورًا.
When a calamity befalls you on the sea, all those whom you invoke forsake you except Him. But when He delivers you safely to the shore, you turn away from Him, for man is indeed most thankless.
أَفَأَمِنْتُمْ أَنْ يَخْسِفَ بِكُمْ جَانِبَ الْبَرِّ أَوْ يُرْسِلَ عَلَيْكُمْ حَاصِبًا ثُمَّ لَا تَجِدُوا لَكُمْ وَكِيلًا.
Do you then feel secure against His causing you to be swallowed up by a tract of the earth, or letting loose a deadly whirlwind charged with stones towards you, and there you will find none to protect you?
أَمْ أَمِنْتُمْ أَنْ يُعِيدَكُمْ فِيهِ تَارَةً أُخْرَى فَيُرْسِلَ عَلَيْكُمْ قَاصِفًا مِنَ الرِّيحِ فَيُغْرِقَكُمْ بِمَا كَفَرْتُمْ ثُمَّ لَا تَجِدُوا لَكُمْ عَلَيْنَا بِهِ تَبِيعًا.
Or do you feel secure that He will not cause you to revert to the sea and let a tempest loose upon you and then drown you for your ingratitude, whereupon you will find none even to inquire of us what happened to you?
وَلَقَدْ كَرَّمْنَا بَنِي آدَمَ وَحَمَلْنَاهُمْ فِي الْبَرِّ وَالْبَحْرِ وَرَزَقْنَاهُم مِّنَ الطَّيِّبَاتِ وَفَضَّلْنَاهُمْ عَلَى كَثِيرٍ مِّمَّنْ خَلَقْنَا تَفْضِيلًا.
Indeed, we honored the progeny of Adam and bore them across land and sea and provided them with good things for their sustenance and exalted them above many of our creatures.
يوم ندعو كل أناس بإمامهم فمن أوتي كتابه بيمينه فأولئك يقرؤون كتابهم ولا يظلمون فتيلا.
Then think of the day we shall summon every community with its leader. Those who are given their record in their right hand shall read the record of their deeds and shall not be wronged a whit.
وَمَنْ كَانَ فِي هَذِهِ أَعْمَى فَهُوَ فِي الْآخِرَةِ أَعْمَى وَأَضَلُّ سَبِيلًا.
Whoever lived in this world as blind shall live as blind in the life to come. Rather, he'll be even farther astray than if he were just blind.
وَإِن كَادُوا لَيَفْتِنُونَكَ عَنِ الَّذِي أَوْحَيْنَا إِلَيْكَ لِتَفْتَرِيَ عَلَيْنَا غَيْرَهُ وَإِذًا لَاتَّخَذُوكَ خَلِيلًا.
O Muhammad, they had all but tempted you away from what we have revealed to you, that you may invent something else in our name. Had you done so, they would have taken you as their trusted friend.
وَلَوْلَا أَن ثَبَّتْنَاكَ لَقَدْ كِدتَّ تَرْكَنُ إِلَيْهِمْ شَيْئًا قَلِيلًا.
Indeed, had we not strengthened you, you might have inclined to them a little.
إِذًا لَأَذَقْنَاكَ ضَعْفَ الْحَيَاةِ وَضَعْفَ الْمَمَاتِ ثُمَّ لَا تَجِدُ لَكَ عَلَيْنَا نَصِيرًا.
Whereupon we would have made you taste double the chastisement in the world and double the chastisement after death, and then you would have found none to help you against us.
وَإِن كَادُوا لَيَسْتَفِزُّونَكَ مِنَ الْأَرْضِ لِيُخْرِجُوكَ مِنْهَا وَإِذًا لَا يَلْبَثُونَ خِلَافَكَ إِلَّا قَلِيلًا.
They were bent upon uprooting you from this land and driving you away from it. But were they to succeed, they would not be able to remain after you more than a little while.
سُنَّةَ مَنْ قَدْ أَرْسَلْنَا قَبْلَكَ مِنْ رُسُلِنَا وَلَا تَجِدُ لِسُنَّتِنَا تَحْوِيلًا.
This has been our way with the messengers whom we sent before you. You will find no change in our way.
أقم الصلاة لدلوك الشمس إلى غسق الليل وقرآن الفجر إن قرآن الفجر كان مشهودا.
Establish prayer from the declining of the sun to the darkness of the night, and hold fast to the recitation of the Quran at dawn, for the recitation of the Quran at dawn is witnessed.
وَمِنَ اللَّيْلِ فَتَهَجَّدْ بِهِ نَافِلَةً لَكَ عَسَىٰ أَن يَبْعَثَكَ رَبُّكَ مَقَامًا مَحْمُودًا.
And rise from sleep during the night as well. This is an additional prayer for you. Possibly your Lord will raise you to an honored position.
وقل رب أدخلني مدخل صدق وأخرجني مخرج صدق واجعل لي من لدنك سلطانا نصيرا.
And pray, my Lord, cause me to enter whatever it be with truth, and cause me to exit wherever it be with truth, and support me with authority from yourself.
وقل جاء الحق وزهق الباطل إن الباطل كان زهوقا.
And proclaim, the truth has come and falsehood has vanished. Surely falsehood is ever bound to vanish.
وننزل من القرآن ما هو شفاء ورحمة للمؤمنين ولا يزيد الظالمين إلا خسارا.
What we are sending down in the course of revealing the Quran is a healing and a grace for those who have faith, but it adds only to the ruin of the wrongdoers.
وَإِذَا أَنْعَمْنَا عَلَى الْإِنسَانِ أَعْرَضَ وَنَأَىٰ بِجَانِبِهِ وَإِذَا مَسَّهُ الشَّرُّ كَانَ يَئُوسًا.
Whenever we bestow favors upon man, he arrogantly turns away and draws aside, and whenever evil visits him, he is in utter despair.
قُلْ كُلٌّ يَعْمَلُ عَلَى شَاكِلَتِهِ فَرَبُّكُمْ أَعْلَمُ بِمَنْ هُوَ أَهْدَىٰ سَبِيلًا.
Say, O Prophet, each one acts according to his own manner. Your Lord knows well who is best guided to the right path.
وَيَسْأَلُونَكَ عَنِ الرُّوحِ قُلِ الرُّوحُ مِنْ أَمْرِ رَبِّي وَمَا أُوتِيتُم مِّنَ الْعِلْمِ إِلَّا قَلِيلًا.
They ask you about the Spirit. Say, the Spirit descends by the command of my Lord, but you've been given only a little knowledge.
وَلَئِن شِئْنَا لَنَذْهَبَنَّ بِالَّذِي أَوْحَيْنَا إِلَيْكَ ثُمَّ لَا تَجِدُ لَكَ بِهِ عَلَيْنَا وَكِيلًا.
Had we willed, we could take away what we have revealed to you, then you would find none to help you in recovering it from us.
إِلَّا رَحْمَةً مِّن رَّبِّكَ إِنَّ فَضْلَهُ كَانَ عَلَيْكَ كَبِيرًا.
Whatever you have received is nothing but grace from your Lord. Indeed, His favor to you is great.
قُل لَّئِنِ اجْتَمَعَتِ الْإِنسُ وَالْجِنُّ عَلَىٰ أَن يَأْتُوا بِمِثْلِ هَٰذَا الْقُرْآنِ لَا يَأْتُونَ بِمِثْلِهِ وَلَوْ كَانَ بَعْضُهُمْ لِبَعْضٍ ظَهِيرًا.
Say, surely, if mankind and jinn were to get together to produce the like of this Quran, they will never be able to produce the like of it, howsoever they might help one another.
وَلَقَدْ صَرَّفْنَا لِلنَّاسِ فِي هَٰذَا الْقُرْآنِ مِن كُلِّ مَثَلٍ فَأَبَىٰ أَكْثَرُ النَّاسِ إِلَّا كُفُورًا.
We have explained things for people in this Quran in diverse ways to make them understand the message, yet most people obstinately persist in unbelief.
وَقَالُوا لَن نُّؤْمِنَ لَكَ حَتَّىٰ تَفْجُرَ لَنَا مِنَ الْأَرْضِ يَنبُوعًا.
They said, "We shall not accept your message until you cause a spring to gush forth for us from the earth."